got a surprise package in the mail. Alright, we're gonna open this. I'd set up my PayPal account and also my Amazon wish list, and I shared the link on my YouTube channel. And some lovely viewer, anonymous, it doesn't say, it was sent as a gift, an anonymous gift, sent me something in the mail here from the list. So we're gonna open it and see what it is. I think I kind of have an idea what it may be just from the way it feels, but we're gonna check it out. So excited. You know, I set this up, guys, and honestly, I never even dreamed that somebody would actually go on there and send something that I needed for my channel. Wow. Check that out. Bosch 7-inch lapidary blade. For wet cutting. Wow. I can't tell you how excited and humbled I am right now. I would like to send a very big thank you to the viewer that sent this. It's very kind of you. I am going to put this on my saw and get some new stuff cut. And I'm super excited to do that. That's amazing. Thank you very much to the viewer that sent that. And also, if you guys can see these stickers here in the background, these are some of my favorite channels that I watch, just on a personal level, not even to do a shameless plug, but we've got Ozark Buck back there, and he does awesome gold panning videos and pay dirt. There's Welding Carry. He does awesome reviews on knives, really cool knives. There's Magnetic North magnet fishing, and they do mudlarking videos. Really cool to watch them, see what all they pull out of the water. And there's also Straight Up Metal Detecting, and he does coin collecting, all kinds of awesome stuff. So if you guys haven't already, head over to those channels and check them out. Give them a like, subscribe, watch their videos. They've got some awesome content, and you might recognize a few of these rocks in the background there. Those are some crawlies from Crawley Ridge agates from Mr. Wilbon, the Crawley King. He had sent those to me a few months back, and they're a few of my favorites. And there's also some crazy lace back there. But yeah, head over, check them out, give them a thumbs up. Thank you again to the awesome viewer, the anonymous viewer that sent this gift for my channel. That's really cool of you. I hope you're watching this, and a great big thank you. There's such a good shine on these. They're very hard to get on camera. Look at that lace. A beautiful piece of agatized wood here. And again, that blade will be put to good use because this Agate's wood is very, very hard to cut. So that new blade should get right through it. That one's just going to be stunning once it's cut open. It's beautiful just as it is. Can't wait to get that one cut up and see all that green and blue that's going to come through in the middle. It's going to be awesome with that new blade. Look at all that craziness going on. Look at that banding. And it sounds like the bird agrees with me. I could just stare in there for days. Especially when you look up close with like a jewelry loop or lens. Look at that botryoidal cave in there. That two little bugs with the botryoidals down in there. All that banding going around. I could just sit here and stare at this all day long. Look at all that beautiful banding. Love this one. It's just got so much character with those bugs in there and the banding going around them. Absolutely beautiful. I don't think it's showing on camera, but there's a bunch of little druzy down in those bugs. This is one of my favorite ones. That awesome banding in there. It's just so shiny. And just one more time, thank you again to the viewer that sent this. It's greatly appreciated, and it will be put to good use. I'm so excited. Thank you for the gift. You're amazing.